Hey guys, Trainz here, and welcome back to another Thomas & Friends DVD review. Today, we're going to be taking a look at It's Great to Be an Engine. Let's get right into it. Here's a look at the back for features. Now let's take a look inside. Here's the disc. Now let's go to the DVD menu. Okay, we got play all stories, fun and games, and pick a story. Let's go to pick a story.
It's time to leave the station, so let's get started.
It's Great to Be an Engine features 7 different stories for you to enjoy. Press the red arrow button to see more choices.
We got Too Hot for Thomas, Emily's Adventures, You Can Do It Toby, Gordon Takes Charge, Edward the Great, James Goes Too Far, and last but not least, Percy and the Magic Carpet. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more Thomas & Friends minis, rail fanning, and DVD reviews. We'll see you next time.